The red car shouts, hip-hooray!
Let's jump high and laugh today.
It sparkles bright like morning sun.
Excited feelings make things fun. The yellow car goes, smile wide.
Happiness is here inside.
It beams just like a sunny day, waving joy along the way.
The blue car whispers soft and slow.
Take a breath and let it go.
The breeze is cool, the sky is clear.
Calm feelings help our minds stay near.
The green car says, look around.
What new wonders can be found?
Questions bloom like leaves on trees.
Curious hearts explore with ease. Feelings come and feelings go.
Fast or quiet, high or low.
Every color plays a part.
Painting pictures in our heart.
All aboard, come ride again on the feelings rainbow train. Red to blue and